The 1976 Toyota Celica GTV12, brought to life by Shawn Bassett. This incredible vehicle was showcased at the 2024 SEMA Show, where it captivated enthusiasts with its blend of classic charm and cutting-edge performance. Gone is the original four-cylinder engine, replaced by a stunning 1GZFE V12 from a Toyota Century. The Century's massive engine was originally built for luxury and refinement rather than raw power delivery. With billet rocker covers, individual throttle bodies, tubular exhaust manifolds, and a polished CSF Race radiator, the setup looks like a precious jewel set in the metallic green engine bay. The result is a staggering 650 horsepower on pump gas, with the potential for 700 horsepower on E85. The transmission swap is just as impressive, with the Century's lethargic 4-speed auto replaced by a ZF 8-speed from an A90 Supra. The cherry on top is the set of BBS E55s wrapped in Toyo Proxys R888R tires, a combo that would make any split-rim enthusiast go weak at the knees. The front end now runs S13 Nissan geometry, while the rear features a custom pushrod arrangement. The team at Moten Suspension crafted a one-off setup for the Celica, complete with inverted dampers and special anodizing to tie in with the green color scheme. Inside, and you'll spot a sequential shift lever and a clutch pedal in the OBP adjustable pedal box. That's because the automatic ZF transmission has been cleverly programmed to mimic the feel of a manual gearbox, with electronic clutch control enhancing the sequential shifting capability. It's a sea of Lamborghini Kella Brown leather and suede. The sun visors, roll bar, and steering wheel were all expertly reworked by the trimmers at E3 Upholstery, as were the carbon shell bucket seats fitted with Willans harnesses.